Hi again everyone, Veeliksa. In this video, I will be introducing some more nouns relating to places. The focus is on the country of Jamaica, and I will be giving the Oy'Nissh translations in Guayfirmir and Veeliksa for the country, counties, and parishes. I invite you to subscribe and share this video with your family and friends so you can be posted with the latest videos. Thank you. In English, Saint Elizabeth. In Guayfirmir, Saint Elizabeth. In Veeliksa, Saint Elizabeth. Again, everyone, thanks for watching. I do hope you're enjoying this new translation series. In the next video, I'll be going to the parish of Clarendon.